Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of the April Wax Seal Club box. I'm so excited to show you this. It's been a long time coming. Let's jump in. Okay, the very first thing you're going to notice about this is that we have a brand new box. So you can see we've got some gold foil, which I love, and on the sides too. But this is the new logo for the Wax Seal Club with a brand new box. So I'm super excited about that. Let me show you what's inside. Okay, so the very first thing I want to show you is the stamp, of course. So this is the design for this April box. This stamp is exclusive, so I designed it. You can only get it in my shop, and you can only get it with being a Wax Seal Club member. Look how gorgeous. It's so pretty. On your very first box, you get a handle with it, but all of you existing subscribers already have one, so you'll just be getting the stamp pad. Look how gorgeous it is. It's so pretty and it's so perfect for springtime. So that is the stamp. The other thing that comes in the box are the 3 wax colors. So every box, members of the Wax Seal Club get to vote on these colors. So we've got Lilac, Spring Blue, and Morning Mist. So they're all kind of in these like blue purple tones, really pretty, really gorgeous, and they feel like spring. And let me show you what they look like pressed. So again, here's the stamp, and then I'll show you these seals. So that's what it looks like in Lilac. Here's the Morning Mist, a metallic, and this is the Spring Blue. So they just look so fun together, so spring. I love them so much. Let me show you what the bonus items are. So all existing subscribers will get these bonus items. Anyone who's a new subscriber will get these bonus items if they order before Thursday, April 17th. So the first thing is a jar of glass glitter. It's gold and it's so pretty, and I'm so excited to add these to Wax Seals. We added this little tape, kind of keep it in place, but this is so fun to add to Wax Seals. So that's one bonus for you existing subscribers, and new subscribers, if you get the earlier bird bonus, you'll get that. The other bonus is this little card set. So let me show you this. It in total has 6 cards, and they're just little minis, but they are very cute, and they all have that gold foil. So this, if you notice, matches your seal. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it so much. So that one matches your seal, and then there's just some other florals that are perfect for springtime. But they are all gold foil cards, which I love. And then they all have little matching envelopes. Let me show you these. Kind of matching our colors. So you can see we've got similar tones. So your little cards will match your seals. I'm just obsessed. I'm obsessed with these colors and how well this turned out. So again, the bonus is for everyone who's an existing subscriber. This is your little thank you for continuing to get the box. I'm so excited to send this to you, and you'll get the glass glitter. But yeah, I'm so excited about this stamp. It's so pretty. It's also an oblong shape, so it's a shape we've never done before. We've done oval, we've done rectangle, square, and round, but we've never done one of this shape. And so I'm super excited about it. It's similar to oval, but it's a little different. It feels really special. So I'm so excited to show you some fun ways that you can use this seal and your wax in the coming months. All existing subscribers, your subscription will renew on Monday, April 14th, and we'll be shipping out this box on the 21st. So definitely let me know if you have any questions, but I'm so excited to send this box out to you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.